Yeah, so I was so young and foolish back then. How many years ago was that? Do we know?
I don't know. It was like 6 months.
No, everything I said is true. Amazon fundamentally is the same company as it was yesterday, but it creates this artificial buzz in the market. People are excited about it. I'm actually evolving my view on this. I historically have had this Buffett-esque kind of highbrow view, like, how dare they think the stock is worth more if I give them smaller pieces of the same. You know what? I'm an idiot. The truth is, why do you think when company that sells Kit Kat all of a sudden says, now you could buy 8 sticks instead of 4, but the sticks are half the size, but we're going to charge you $1 more for it? People are into that. People like the flexibility of buying more of something, even if you shrink it. So, and by the way, you throw a kid's birthday party, you make the slices 16 instead of 8, and I end up eating like 4 more slices than I normally would. Like, because I'm as susceptible as anyone else. So, shut up, Pete. Shut up. So listen.
Sorry.
Stay on message.
I guess my bottom. Let me bottom line this. Let me bottom line this. I am. It's good. I'm long the stock. I like that it's up. I really don't care if it's because they did a magic trick. In the end, though, people do like stock splits. They will buy in advance of a stock split. We saw it have a material impact on Tesla, on Apple. I was around in '99. Amazon did 2 stock splits that year. I swear to God, they did 2 in 1 year. That's how much people love stock splits. Is that a reason to buy Amazon? Not really, but is it a reason why it's up and might stay up? Okay, I'll accept that. I'll take it. I'm evolving. We all have room to grow.
So if you look, Pete, at the performance, let's just say NVIDIA, NVIDIA announced a 4-for-1 stock split on May 21st of 2021, up 46% since then versus a NASDAQ that's down 4%. Tesla did its 5-for-1 on August 11th of 2020. The stock's up near 200% since then. NASDAQ's up 20. Apple did its 4-for-1 split on July 30th of 2020. The stock's up 63% since then versus a NASDAQ up 22. I gave you the stats from Bank of America. What seems like the same pie today maybe creates a larger pie tomorrow.
Well, it does. I mean, I'm not denigrating what you're talking about, Josh, when you say I was an idiot and this, that, and the other. I would say this, though. It creates opportunity, Scott. People who weren't able to get to Amazon now will be able to. It opens up something. And clearly, I mean, all you've got to do is look at the facts. And the facts are what you just put out there. Take a look at Tesla. Take a look at NVIDIA. Take a look at these stocks when they make these splits.
What about fractional share ownership, though?
Yeah, but that's not what people want. People want to be able to have something that has some affordability. And you got to remember this, when you're looking at these, Josh, it's also about the derivatives markets. And what do I mean by that? Well, it opens up the derivative markets. Now something that was a $50 option that somebody probably can't trade is now giving them an opportunity to buy it at a much lesser cost. Gives them an opportunity to be there as well. And along the way, you can hedge on the downside, or you can do something for the upside. So I think the derivatives markets do play a piece of what's going on here as well. And I think Tesla is the greatest example of all, because you said it. There wasn't anything necessarily material that had changed, but by doing that split, just take a look at what that stock did. And I think it creates the opportunity for people that want to buy 10 shares, 100 shares, whatever. It gives them that opportunity. And I think no matter how you slice it, those pieces of the cake, that is what people are looking for, is opportunity. They want to be in Amazon. They can't trade it. They can do these fractional things, but it feels meaningless. This is a much different trade when you're able to buy 10, 50, 100 shares. And mentally, that gives people that sort of an advantage, I think.